billion miles, and somehow we're communicating with this.
Right.
And we're getting the picture. Can you imagine?
I think it's just amazing. Now,
And so do I.
What I think is a really kind of fun thing about this. So do you know what's powering this thing? I mean, 3 billion miles. What do you think's powering it to get all the way out there?
The craft?
Yeah.
No.
Plutonium.
Oh, really?
Yes, I thought that was kind of cool.
That is kind of neat.
Yeah,
How
Pluto,
ironic.
plutonium,
Plutonium's helping it get to Pluto.
Exactly right. And they say they may send it out another billion miles after this, so it could go exploring, and then we'll hear about it again in another 2 to 3 years. So
That is
really
neat.
cool to
It
follow.
really is.
Gosh, science is awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hey, the weather's been awesome too.
Yeah,
It's
beautiful
been
day today.
beautiful around here. Let's go ahead and take a look at what it was doing on the coast too. We even cleared those clouds out. We had very few to start off with this morning over at Lincoln City to make for a gorgeous afternoon, and then you can see just as the sun was going down, those clouds rolling in, and eventually those are going to roll into the valley too. And here in the valley and in the metro area, temperatures are falling fairly quickly. We're at 67 degrees, but when you factor in the wind, it's gusting to 21 miles an hour right now. It does feel a bit cooler than that. So it's going to be a bit cool when you wake up tomorrow morning. Our high today 84, and we may have trouble getting up that high tomorrow because I think we're going to cool things down for a couple of days. Just a minor cool down, but a cool down for you. Overnight tonight, we'll dip down to around 58 degrees as cloud cover increases for the start of tomorrow, and those winds will try to settle out a little bit out of the northwest at 10 to 15 miles an hour. So most of this week and even over the weekend, we've been in this onshore flow, meaning we have this air that's moving in off the ocean that keeps us a little bit cooler for this time of the year. It brings in cloud cover from time to time in the mornings. Well, this whole flow is actually going to strengthen over the next couple of days, and so that means we'll likely have more cloud cover around from time to time, especially in the mornings, and that also will help keep our temperatures a little bit cooler. So highs tomorrow in the upper 70s to around 80 instead of in the low to mid 80s. So this is going to really keep us cool Thursday, and then we start to break out of this pattern, and that's when the heat moves back in that I was telling you about earlier. So hour by hour for you. We start off tomorrow morning. We'll be in the upper 50s. We'll have partly to mostly cloudy skies around, and then we go into the afternoon. By noon, we're at 70, and we're clearing everything out. We'll see a lot of sunshine. The difference is tomorrow, right around 5 o'clock, we're going to see those winds kicking back in again, and that's going to try to cool things down very quickly. So temperatures will probably just top out in the upper 70s to around 80 degrees for most of us, and then we're going to see temperatures fall pretty quickly with that wind kicking in, and then that's going to drive in more cloud cover. And so Thursday will be even cooler. We'll start off with the clouds. We may even have a sprinkle or two in the morning. Here we are at 7 a.m. Temperatures in the upper 50s, and then the clouds a little bit slower to clear out, and that means temperatures won't be as warm. And so Thursday will be really nice with temperatures mainly in the mid to upper 70s, even down south. After Thursday, we start to prepare for that heat with it really starting to creep in Saturday and Sunday. What about the rain? Not much on the horizon for us, just that slight chance for a sprinkle perhaps Thursday, and then we get into the weekend and we're drying things out. Central and eastern Oregon, we have more thunderstorms developed today. Those have now settled down, and it's looking really dry for you too as we head to the next couple of days. So your forecast now for the coast, temperatures in the upper 60s to around 70, slight chance for a sprinkle in the morning and then more sunshine for the afternoon. I-5, a mix of sun and clouds, a little breezy towards the evening. Central and eastern Oregon, a little warmer for you with temperatures in the mid 80s, mostly sunny and a dry day finally. Cascades looking at temperatures in the 70s and then 85 for Hood River through the gorge. The winds are going to be cranking as that flow increases. So 20 to 30 mile an hour winds tomorrow afternoon, some higher gusts. We'll see that again Thursday. And then here's the 3-day outlook here. 78 Thursday. Friday will be at 82, and then here comes the weekend, and that's when we're back to wall-to-wall sunshine and highs in the upper 80s to around 90 degrees, and it stays pretty warm going into early next week. So it won't be extreme heat. It's still going to be well above average, but after some of the temperatures we've already been through this summer, I think this will be kind of a walk in the park. So a little bit easier for us to deal with, right?
Boy, bottle this week's weather. That looks great to me. Thanks.